today it's hot. For a lack of a better term, it's hot. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to till this area up real quick. And I'm going to actually hand plant it with the Easy Way seeder, the old Easy seeder. These rows aren't going to be, they're long, but like it's going to be a pain in the butt with the tractor to get up and down and turn around. So it's a lot easier just to do it with the Easy Way seeder. That's about it. I actually have had a pretty long, I had a long 4th of July. I put out all the tables. I'll show you guys in a little bit. I put out all the tables, put out all the chairs onto the tables that are like chairs that can stay out. And then I roped off the areas that I had already kind of put the posts in. Last thing I need to do is rope off this area. And then that'll be it. And then we're pretty much prepared. Tomorrow I'll put out some more chairs for the tables. We're not like at capacity or anything, so I really don't have to put all the chairs out, but I'll probably put them on like every other one or something like that. I actually did the ones that are further away from where the chairs are stored, so it's easier for me. That's about it, I think, for today. Sal and the Flower Farmer. If you don't know already, now you know. I'm only planting because these have already started to pop. So I could plant, and we got a couple chances of some spotty storms, so I figured I'd jump on the chance of doing that, just in case. Plus, we're going to be busy this weekend, so it's kind of like get them in when you can get them in. Like, we got to get gladiolas in next week. We'll get them in before the weekend starts. And I got a ton of flower shares I got to do tonight, so I'd rather just do this now, get it done and over with. It's on my lunch break, and so always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow us on social media, Ward's Farm NJ, Alan the Flower Farmer, Alyssa the Flower Farmer. Subscribe, like, it all helps to boost us into the algorithm, do all this other stuff that we need to make it work. Love you guys. Watch.